how are we doing? And today I thought might as well, because I'm bored and I still haven't got any content, we're going to give these subs a little run. Just going to hook them up for a bit, play some tunes, and yeah, just that's it basically. Still got these on the windowsill here, still wondering what to do with them, because yeah, insurance is absolutely killing me on the car, so yeah, it might be a while before I can put loads of subs and modifications in it, so but anyway, I'm gonna get these subs going, and yeah, that'll be it. The whole floor. There's no way the whole floor. This all is all moving. Let's see if I can get on video. Look. I don't know if you can see that on video. Hear that sound? That's this whole amp rack moving up and down. Oops. There's no way. Oops. Now then, I hope you enjoyed the video, just playing those subs, and I'm sure I'll be releasing some more videos soon. Check out my shorts, because I've been putting just videos of me playing my music and that. And also, who wants to see me just as a laugh put that 15 in my car and see what we can do? Just bring all my gear down, bring the amplifiers and that down, just see what happens. So yeah, thumbs up if you think that'd be a good idea, and I'll see you later. Anyway, see you in the next one.